My name is Maurice, and today I want us to try something new. I will be teaching you and showing you how to transfer an image, your drawings, to any surface you want to, walls, wood, MDF. I have never tried this on metal. Maybe you can try that. But I have tried it on wood, I have tried it on cement walls, and it has worked great. Today we'll be transferring a photo to wood, and I'll show you the materials you need to make this project successful, and I'm sure you'll love it. First, you need a photo. And you have to print this photo mirrored. If your printer doesn't support mirroring, printing in mirror form, you can do that in Photoshop. Edit, transform, then flip horizontal. You can flip it before you print that. So you are supposed to print your image in reverse. Number 2, you need to print using a laserjet printer, not an ink printer, laserjet printer. So I'll be using this image. We'll need wood for today's project, and I have this piece of timber. See, it's not so smooth. I'll be trying to sand it so that it gets smoother. I need a smooth surface. Well, then we need glue. Mod Podge. This is what we need to stick the paper on the wood. I have a Mod Podge gloss, not gloss, sorry, it's gloss. Mod Podge gloss, and I have Mod Podge matte. Today I'll be using a gloss. I've used matte before, so today we'll be using a gloss. Then a sponge brush will come in handy. You need this to apply your Mod Podge on the wood. So we'll apply the Mod Podge first. We'll stick our paper. After making sure your surface is ready, apply the glue evenly and just enough, and stick your paper face down. From there you have to wait for at least 24 hours for the glue to dry. At least 24 hours. We'll soak this paper in water so that we can remove it slowly. So after you soak your paper in water, how do you remove the paper? You don't peel off the paper, you rub the paper. So you have to rub your paper until you remove all the paper. Now I have cleared all that needs to be cleared. So the next step is wait for it to dry up, just a few minutes, and apply more Mod Podge on top of the image. Now we have our photo here ready. Now we need to cover the photo using the Mod Podge again to seal the photo itself. And here we go. Now we have to place this here and wait for it to dry up. The reason we are covering the photo with Mod Podge again is to protect it from fading and scratches. We are giving it another layer of glue for the protection. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments and please subscribe. Thank you. Ibondeko ya basi yo 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 yo. Balinga kabasi ya bande kwa midalite. So for today's ngoja niwashe hii.